Welcome back to Old Chiller channel. Today, we have something truly special to share with you, the UK 1 shilling 1962 coin. We'll be discussing its historical significance, its current market value, and even explore how you can potentially find one at a heritage auction. The year 1962 was a significant one for the United Kingdom. Queen Elizabeth II was on the throne, and the UK was amidst a cultural shift. The Beatles were on the rise, and the coinage of the time reflected the nation's identity. Here, we have the beautiful 1 shilling coin from 1962. Its design is a true reflection of its era, featuring the laureate bust of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and a crowned lion standing on a crown on the reverse. These coins were widely circulated and hold immense historical charm. Now, let's talk about the condition of these coins. The value of a coin often depends on its grade. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state Ms. 70, with Ms. 70 being the highest possible grade. The better the condition, the higher the value. At the time of this video's recording in 2023, you can expect to pay anywhere from $78,000 for an average condition coin. However, if you have one in pristine condition or with a unique attribute, its value can be significantly higher. Now, if you're looking to buy or sell a 1962 1 shilling coin of exceptional quality or rarity, a heritage auction could be the perfect platform for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe,